Enhancing airspace security, Robotican and Elsight strategic partnership for advanced BVLOS counter-UAS operations. Robotican and Elsight Ltd have entered into a partnership aimed at bolstering the connectivity for beyond the visual line of sight, BVLOS, counter-UAS missions in military and defense sectors. Robotican, known for its autonomous robotics and drone innovations, and Elsight Ltd, an ASX-listed company recognized for its cutting-edge uncrewed system connectivity solutions, are joining forces to address the growing need for effective counter-UAS strategies in military operations. Counter-UAS systems have become a critical component of military and defense organizations worldwide, designed to identify and neutralize adversarial drones. These systems are particularly valuable in scenarios where the goal is to intercept potentially hostile drones without causing unintended damage, ensuring their secure apprehension. Robotican's Goshawk is an autonomous drone celebrated for its ability to seamlessly capture enemy drones mid-flight, utilizing a sophisticated suite of capabilities including in-flight detection, tracking, and secure capture mechanisms. Central to this partnership is the integration of Elsight's Halo, a platform engineered for secure and robust connectivity through AI-enhanced, multi-link bonded communications. The Halo system leverages a variety of communication channels, including LTE, 5G, SATCOM, and RF, to ensure uninterrupted connection between drones, UAVs or UASs, and their ground control stations. This technology will significantly enhance the Goshawk's operational efficiency by ensuring a stable and continuous communication link, even in areas with minimal signal coverage. Hagai Balashi, CEO of Robotican, highlighted the value of Elsight's Halo in testing, noting its ability to provide a quick and consistent connection between the Goshawk aircraft and its control station, and emphasizing the system's seamless handover of aircraft control, which markedly reduces the risk of command and control (C2) failures. According to a company press release, Balashi praised the Halo system for delivering the most solid LTE link that Robotican had ever experienced, along with high-quality data streaming capabilities. Elsight CEO, Yoav Amitai, also expressed enthusiasm about the collaboration, emphasizing the partnership's contribution to safer skies and the enhanced detect, react, and eliminate process facilitated by improved situational awareness. Elsight is proud to partner with Robotican in its dedication to maintaining safe skies with its Goshawk system, Amitai stated, acknowledging the significant strides made in hostile drone interception capabilities through this collaboration. Robotican has been at the forefront of autonomous robotics and drone technology since 2013, providing innovative solutions across defense, HLS, and civilian sectors. Elsight, on the other hand, has carved a niche for itself since its inception in 2009, offering reliable, secure, high-bandwidth communication solutions that cater to a wide range of stationary, portable, and mobile operational needs in the drone industry.